can payment be delayed? It is always discouraged without a strong reason to delay payment. And so the example that we gave last week is that your zakat month happens to be Rajab. You do the calculation, you worked out the amount, and now in this belief that there's extra reward of doing good charitable acts in Ramadan, you will postpone the payment of your zakat to Ramadan. That is firstly not encouraged. In fact, it's almost a sin, because your obligation date is at a particular time. If zakat is one of the 5 pillars of Islam and it needs to be practiced according to a particular way, like Salah has a time on which it is done, has a waqt, like Hajj has a waqt, like Saum, your fasting has a waqt, has a period, so too has your zakat got a period. So if your zakat period happens to be out of Ramadan, then pay your zakat at that time. However, once you fulfill your right of zakat at a particular time, in Ramadan, you want to give more zakat in anticipation of next year, then certainly give in Ramadan and give in any other month of the year in advance of the payment. And I think the last 2 points talk to each other. So delay in payment of zakat unless there's a strong reason. So let me give you an example. You have some investment of some sort. On the day you are calculating zakat, you are not able to have liquid assets to be able to pay your zakat. And that may only mature whenever, a month or 2 or 3. At that point, because of circumstance beyond your control, you can delay your payment. However, our recommendation again is note down the zakat payable in your will. So should anything happen to you between the day you are obliged to pay your zakat and the day when you think you will able to pay your zakat, if you should pass on, when whoever is reading your will, their first obligation, they will discharge your zakat first before they discharge the inheritance relating to that.